Hey guys, it's Van, amateur radio call sign Kilo Mike 4 Kilo Bravo Sierra. Welcome back to the NVIS Corner. Today, I'm back home in Virginia now that my work assignment up in Connecticut is complete. I'm back home in Chesapeake, Virginia. So I'm here at my QTH and setting up some more wire antennas for a dipole antenna. Just trying to test out, see what the antenna sweep is for the SWR values. I have my father's coming into town this weekend, and I wanted to build him a quick dipole antenna for working NVIS operations. So I'm hoping when he goes back home up to the mountains of Virginia, he'll be able to get it installed and be able to hear me and give me some signal reports. So I think he's about 220 or 240 miles away to my west out in Patrick Springs, Virginia. And so I'm hoping to be able to give him a simple wire dipole antenna using the same BNC banana plug adapter. And let me show you what I got. Okay guys, this one's going to be kind of a down and dirty, cheap, basic dipole antenna. Still using the same banana plug BNC adapter that I've been using in my other videos. Sorry it's a little bit windy out here, a storm's coming in, I got to get this, hurry up and get inside. But instead of using the banana plugs, I'm just running the wire through the hole in the middle of the banana plug, coming around the other side, and I've got it connected through the screw hole. These terminals just unscrew, you stick them in. Try to do this one-handed. And if you zoom in here, you can see they've got the hole through the stud that you can feed the wire, the end of the stripped wire through. Just make sure you go through that hole first to do a little bit of a tension relief. Then all you got to do is screw these back down. So both of those are tight. I just have it sitting on top of the fiberglass pole like my others. One leg going out that way, then the other one stretched out going over that direction. But if you look at the end here, once again, the 4 foot or 3 feet 10-inch tall electric fence post made out of fiberglass, they have these different rings here for running the different electric wires, and I've literally just tied it to the very end. And what I've found is if you lower the wire down about 12 inches on each one of these rungs, as you get closer to the ground, it's going to detune the antenna and make it kind of more electrically longer. And so if your SWR is too high and outside of the general class privs, say the high end of the 40 meter band is 7.300, if this ends up being resonant at 7.350 or 7.400, you can lower your ends of the wire closer to the ground, and it'll move the SWR back within the middle of the general class privileges to be resonant of about 7.200 to 7.300. Now the SWR will be a little bit higher, but it'll help bring it, the center of it, within the middle of the band of where you want to be talking at. So right now, like I said, this is at 3 feet 10 inches. And let me get a measurement using the tape measure, and you can try it out at your location. All right, guys, I've got the tape measure laid out. If you can see, it's right about 31 feet 2 inches to the end of the loop, and we got it trimmed to connect to the BNC connector. So I would say cut your wire 31 feet, maybe 4 to 5 inches, and trim it back. And for me, 31 foot 2 inches after you tied the knot to connect it to the post. So anyways, hope this helps. You gotta put things up inside. It's getting ready to storm. So once again, this is Van, KM4 KBS with the NVIS Corner, back home in Chesapeake, Virginia, building a simple, basic 40 meter dipole antenna for NVIS operations. Take care and see you next time.